Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a pipeline stage in Copper CRM. All right, and it's actually pretty easy. So first up, go ahead and log into your Copper account. Okay. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and open up the pipeline where you wanted to add in a stage. Go to the left panel under pipelines, select the pipeline. Okay. Now in here, just go ahead over to the top right and click on this gear icon. Okay. I don't know if you can see it. I'm just going to zoom in. Right here, we have the gear icon. Click on it. Now in here, we have stages under workflow. Okay. Click on stages. Now we have the add a stage option. So what you'll do is just click on it. Maybe I'm just going to go ahead and add in trash. Okay. You can go ahead and edit the win probability right here. Or if you want to delete some stage, you can go ahead and click on the delete button right here. All right. Let's say this one. There will be a pop-up. Just click on remove. And once done, it's gone. Hit on save to save the changes. Click on X. And there you go. Here we now have the new pipeline. And that is it. That is how you add a pipeline stage in Copper CRM. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.